Welcome to Flowgy. In this video, we will introduce Flowgy's post-processing module. To proceed with the post-processing of a case, first we need to have a solved case, which means we must have finished a CFD simulation. If you have any questions on how to perform a CFD simulation, do not hesitate to watch our CFD solver How It Works Part 1 and Part 2 videos. We already prepared a case, so let's open it and explore the post-processing module. To be able to work on the post-processing of the CFD simulation, we must send the case and its computer mesh to the post-processing module. And we do that by clicking this button. This may take a few seconds. When the loading time is over, we will have the solution ready for post-processing in the tab Post. Flowgy's post-processing module is a complex workspace where we can carry out a multitude of tasks to complete and provide additional information to the standard CFD solution we have created. Some of the tasks we probably carry out the most are, for example, the creation of cuts in the anatomical structure, to calculate precisely how the flow in those cuts flows, and how that flow affects the structure that we have selected. The creation, visualization and calculation of the current lines is also a very important aspect in the post-processing. These show us in a very visual way the airflow in the nasal cavity, giving us very valuable information about the friction points in the nasal structure. The dimensionless parameters are also an exceptional source of information that we can work with from post-processing. Here we calculate whether the flow is within normal range or has some degree of obstruction of the phi and r parameters. These are normally very complex calculations. With Flowgy, we can do them in an automated way with a few clicks. These and some other functions will be shown in a much more detailed video in the future. The power of the post-processing module is practically unlimited, and the information we extract from it is an additional help that can make a big difference.